Here's problem 16, a little tricky for some people unless you remember your rules, but it says if 7 to the a power times 7 to the b power equals 7 to the c divided by 7 to the d, what is d in terms of a, b, and c? In other words, get d by itself. That d can be represented as an equation of something with a, b, and c. So what do? Well, what you need to first remember here is let's pretend you and I had 7 to the third power times 7 to the second. What would that be the same as? Well, that would be 777 times 7. That'd be 7 to the fifth, wouldn't it? This quickly tells me, oh yeah, the rule is if you're multiplying things with the same base, you add the exponents. So in this problem, we don't know what that is. But we know that this is going to come out to be 7 to whatever a plus b is. Now, let's try to remember what this would be over here. Well, let's pretend we had 7 to the fourth divided by 7 to the second, let's say. Okay? Well, what this would mean I have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 over 7 times 7. Notice they cancel out and you just get 7 to the second. Oh yeah, the rule then is what? What do we do with these guys? We subtract them. So here you add the exponents to get 7 to the a plus b power. Here you're going to subtract them. So 7 to the a plus b is equal to 7 to the c minus d, because we basically subtract the numerator's exponent minus the denominator's exponent. Well, the 7's are the same, so this a plus b must be the same as c minus d. So a plus b equals c minus d. Now all I need to do is solve for d. The easiest way, since it's a minus d, you might just want to move it over here. If I move it over there, it goes over as a positive d plus a plus b equals c. All I did is I added d to both sides. I added d here, got rid of it, added d here, which brought it over. Now to get d by itself, I'm going to subtract the a and subtract the b from the left-hand side, which means I got to do it on that right-hand side too. That's going to leave me d by itself. That goes away. That goes away. I'm left with c minus the a minus the b. Looks like, which choice is that? D is equal to c minus a minus b? Choice B for number 16. You just have to remember some of your rules, but even if you forget and you know what this means, do an example to figure out, oh, yeah, that's when we add exponents here. Oh, we take the exponents and subtract them with division. Just do an example, think through what you've been taught.